Hey, what's up? It's Mr. J with SciOnTheFly, the place where learning makes sense. Are you a student who's recently been given the task to come up with a state project, but you don't know what to do, where to do it, and how to get started? If so, I'm here to help. Now, I'm not going to do this project for you, but I do want to help give you enough information to help get that ball rolling so you can take it, run with it, and do a great job on it. I have a state report graphic organizer. If you think that might be something you want or need, I'm going to put a direct link for it in the comment section down below. Now, this video is specifically tailored for students who are doing their project on Texas. Texas became the 28th state to join the Union on December 29, 1845. The original governor was a guy named James Henderson. Now, while there were several cities that served as temporary capitals for Texas in the beginning, they finally settled on Austin being its capital. And that's still true today. The state flag consists of a vertical blue strip on the left side with a horizontal white and red stripe on the other side. The state bird is the northern mockingbird. The state tree is the pecan tree, or the pecan tree, however you say that. The state flower is called the blue bonnet, and the state nickname is the Lone Star State. The state motto is simply friendship, which is most likely because Texas, which is pronounced Tejas in Spanish, this sounds like the local Native American word that means friend or ally. Pretty cool. Now, hopefully this is enough information to help get that ball rolling so you can take it, run with it, and do an awesome job on it. I have faith in you. You got this. Until next time, it's Mr. J with SciOnTheFly, the place where learning makes sense.